idea. Ah, interesting. This is made by Hawk, once again. The same guys who did the other Weirdos and who did the Silly Surfers and the Frantics, you know, the Beatles ripoff guys. This one is weird. It's not really part of a series as far as I can tell. It's just kind of like tossed out there. It's totally alone. I think there might have been one or two other models that they popped out outside of a series like they did before, but I don't know. But anyway, Satan's Crate. Let's see what's inside. It opens weird too. How does it open? Strange. Looks more like a higher quality than the other kits were. Like they put a little bit more effort into it this time. What a weird looking guy. Black, silver, red, wood, white. Yeah, you know what? This is not going to look anything like that when I get done with this. Yeah. Pretty much this is just a cool little devil guy, and when I say little, he does appear to be kind of little. Yep, just 2 sprues, and he is rather tiny, and that is a good thing. The reason being, his crate, so to speak, which is just like, once again, a coffin. It almost looks like Daddy's coffin from Weirdos. Because Daddy was riding a coffin, too. But, oh my god, look at the flashing sticking off that. Yeah, that's a little kind of annoying. See, that's supposed to be, like, more... Yeah, there's, like, extra flashing hanging off that. And you gotta be careful when taking off flashing sometimes, or you end up, cutting off way more than you wanted to. Oh my god, like, especially with those hands. Look at the hands. Like, there's, like, all this flashing, like around, the edges. Yeah, you gotta really be careful when cutting that off, especially if you're using an X-Acto knife. Sometimes nail clippers really come in handy there. His crate will not be that crate, and like I was just saying, I'm really glad... What a body. I'm really glad that his body is that small, because that means that I can turn that into something different than than was intended. With the Lego base I made for it. Once again, here you have these mini arcade machines. I might not use one of these, even though I bought a bunch of them on discount for like $5. But it almost looks like he would fit perfectly. Something like that, I imagine. Yeah. He'd probably be something like this. And riding not a Ms. Pac-Man machine, I would turn it into a Satan's Hollow machine. And I'll have the gear shift be a, oh, I don't know, like the cool Tron controller that came out in the day. They used it on Gorf. They used it on Tron, and it was like illuminated by a black light that they had there. And it was made of like a clear blue plastic. And then there was Satan's Hollow, which was also red. It wasn't illuminated, but it was a see-through red. And yeah, that would look really cool, wouldn't it? You'd have Satan driving a Satan's Hollow machine. The hardest part, probably, aside from probably not using one of these, I'll probably use styrene sheets and create a cabinet all its own. But I will almost certainly have trouble making the Satan's Hollow arcade stick. But I'm clever, so it might work. Yeah, we'll see. Yeah, Satan's Crate. Let's see. I wonder if there's anything else to say about this. Let's see. Yeah, I really am glad that he's that small. You'd think bigger would be better, but no. The nice thing is, once I do replace this, there's still some cool shit left. I'll probably use the engine block, I won't use the casket, and I won't use the little skull lights on it, I don't think. I might. Maybe I could use that, actually. His license plate says below. Oh, below. That's cute. Yeah, not much really else to say. God, that is one tiny little tuning fork you got there. The Trident. Yeah. Satan's crate. Oh, fuck me. There's always something, isn't there? I'm guessing... Oh, yeah. It shows it on the package. His spokes are actually breaking. And his spokes are actually breaking here. And they both have little bandages tied onto the tires, as you can see. They actually put that detail in. What's that say? Dunloop? Yeah, instead of Dunlop, it looks like it says Dunloop. Okay, that's cute. Yeah. Satan's Crate. Like, subscribe, Patreon. Hot Stone. Okay. The front, or the back tires say Hot Stone. Man, all 4 tires are breaking and all 4 tires have bandages. That's weird. I just noticed one thing here. He has a hole going through his neck. But, once again, that is not anything that ever is a problem when you're putting a model together. Okay. Like, subscribe, Patreon. And I can't wait to actually turn this into a Satan's Hollow machine that he's riding. Good day.